Hey guys, it's Cannon here with RV Station, and today we're going to take a look at one of my favorite trailers. The Rockwood Mini Lite 2109 from Palomino. This is the perfect lightweight unit for couples out there wanting to go camping. There's a ton of great features with this RV, but the main things I want to go through and focus on today are things like the 6-sided aluminum framing, fully laminated sidewalls, the 58-gallon fresh water tank in such a small trailer, 22-inch oven, same as a motorhome, a $300,000 frameless windows, same thing, standard 30-gallon propane tanks. There's so much to list on these little guys. They're literally some of my favorite trailers. Come on, come with me and I'm going to give you a tour. So here we are, my favorite little guy, Rockwood Mini Lite 2109, our by far best seller. This thing is phenomenal. This is all fiberglass, like we talked about in there. Everything's fiberglass. This is literally automotive grade front windshield. Automotive grade. Again, power jacks, 30-gallon tanks. Everything Rockwood does is so ahead of most of the other people by thinking out of the box. They think big RV, how do we do it? How do we put it on a small RV and package it into 21 feet where mom and dad could just get in their coach and boom, go see the world. Everything you need is right here. Fiberglass, like I said, this is locked. This is a cool storage department. Full awning. If you look, this thing is the full coach of the full length of the coach. You get a more awning space under your activity side of the coach. When you get to the park, this is where you're camping. This is where you're hot dogging it. This is where you're doing breakfast in a bag with your buddies, your new friends that you just met next to you. Excuse me. So look, clamp. These are frameless windows. I mean, guys, this is stuff you see on a Montana. Montana is literally the flagship of RVs in the towable market. This is the exact same stuff that you see. This awesome fiberglass, all aluminum frame. Wall is phenomenal, second to none. Outside speakers, aluminum wheels. Pay close attention to the aluminum wheels, dude. Those are phenomenal. Again, here we are at another steel step. Look, there's no bend in this, there's no give. It's just an easy flip up into the door, flip out. I can sit here and jump on it, no problem. Very, very durable. Really, guys, it's a tank. If there was ever a tank RV, it's the 2109S. Ladder, full walk-on roof. Get up there, walk around, watch the race. Even in a 21-foot coach, this thing is built like a tank. Again, if there was ever a tank RV, this is it. So come around here, all your plug-ins, everything's in one spot. Oh, spare tire. Yep, spare tire. It's just like the other sizes, guys. Of course, it's not a smaller one. It's easy accessible right here if you get a flat. Stab jack, super easy. Just put them down, takes you about 2 minutes per. Your whole workstation's all in one place. Again, feel how solid it is. It's an awesome RV. Little storage compartment. Underneath the dinette, again, seamless windows. They're awesome. Awesome. More storage. I love the frameless window. It gives it a better look too. So, looks awesome. Let's go inside. Let's check out the inside. If you look at the wood finish, how they fit it, how they strut them, just like high-dollar motorhomes, they're very strong. 22-inch oven, stainless steel. It's got the big reefer behind Birdman here. We'll get to it in a minute. But look at the molded countertops. It's all one piece. Great big sinks in this thing. So if it's just you and mom and dad and you guys want to go see the world, this is the trailer you want to do it in. Super easy to tow. Look at all the room in this thing. This thing packs a huge roomy punch. You hang out here. This TV comes off the wall. You can fold it this way, sit right here. No problem. Again, I'll do it this way. I'm 6'6", and I'm as comfortable as can be. This also folds out into a bed, so you got two in case you bring the grandkids. But this is super comfortable. You have a standing table that comes with it. You guys can eat right here. You have a bed full underneath storage. It's pretty cool. You got a great big storage compartment here where you can put extra bedding and extra blankets and stuff like that. Full storage all the way through on the outside. Good cabinets. You got a great big cabinet over there, big cabinets over here for your clothing, day-night shades. They just don't cut any corners. We didn't get in the bathroom. Come look at the bathroom in this thing. Look at the shower. Again, I'm 6'6", about 220, trying to get to 210. I need to get to 210. The wife says I need to get to 210. So look, I could fit in this shower. I'm not too tight. I'm comfortable. I could take a comfortable shower in here, no problem. I can go to the bathroom in here, no problem. I got a nice medicine cabinet. I got a great, awesome little sink to get ready. So it's like I said, it packs a lot of punch for 21 feet. Great big reefer. Tons of room for the reefer. Great big freezer. Again, back to packing the steaks and the hamburgers. Plenty of room. Oh, I didn't see them. I did see it, but I didn't mention it. Magic Chef microwave oven up here. So it's pretty awesome. Do some storage in here. Look at all the galley storage. Tons of storage right there for your foods, breads, and stuff like that. So it's pretty awesome. So there you have it. God, I just love this little guy. If it's just you or you and your sweetheart and you want something that's simple, affordable, and easy, guys, this is the one. This trailer, it's awesome. I mean, come on, even with a small truck, you're gonna barely know what's behind you. And if you're just getting into RVs and you're brand new to it, this unit is perfect to let you guys go out, hit the road, go camping, see what it's all about without literally breaking the budget. Guys, at RV Station, we want to fit you into the exact perfect RV for you. Is the Rockwood Mini Lite 2109 the one for you? I don't know, but we'll find out when you come visit us at RV Station and RVStation.com. Listen, if you've enjoyed this video or found it to be entertaining, I'll work on that, informative, or if you think someone you know may get something from it, please share it. Post it on Facebook. Send it in a text. Help us get the word out there about units like this, and of course about RV Station and RVStation.com. Thank you.